This sales management Excel file includes a sales quote template, invoice template, sales analysis report, accounts receivable report, financial commitments report. It is quite easy to use. Enter your settings. Enter customer data. Create and save sales quotes. Create and save sales invoices. Enter payments received for each invoice. Enter financial commitments data. This sheet allows you to create a sales quote, to save it as a PDF file, and to save quotes data. Quote number appears automatically from last saved quote number. Check the box if the quotation is exempt of VAT. Enter quotation date and expiration date. Select the customer. Select products or services, enter quantities and VAT rates. Quotation subtotal, VAT, total amount, and text amount appear automatically. This sheet allows you to create an invoice, to save it as a PDF file, and to save sales data. Invoice number appears automatically from last saved invoice number. Select payment terms. Select construction or sales contract number if any. Check the box if the invoice is exempt of VAT. Enter invoice date. Select the customer. Select products or services, enter quantities and VAT rates. Invoice subtotal, VAT, total amount, text amount, and due date appear automatically. Sales analysis report allows you to monitor total sales excluding VAT, and year-over-year variance. Number of active sales quotations, and quotes amount. Month-over-month sales growth. An actual versus previous year monthly sales variance. Sales amounts by customer. An output VAT based on issued invoices. Accounts receivable report shows cash collection KPIs. Total amount of receivables exceeds 95 millions. Out of which, 53% are overdue. 155 invoices are overdue. Total overdue amount exceeds 51 millions. On average, company collects cash after 75 days. On a total sales amount of nearly 377 millions, 74% were collected. Invoices due amount to collect at the end of October is 8,687,000. Total receivables as of October 31st exceeds 53 millions. 26% of receivables are overdue for more than 90 days. 46% of due amounts are not overdue. Customer 11 has the highest balance, 72% of which is overdue. More than 3 millions of his balance is overdue for more than 90 days. And 2.6 million still not overdue. This is the oldest unpaid invoice. Customer 2 is still not paid the amount of 145,588. Financial commitments report, track submitted, and returned financial commitments amounts, like performance bonds, advance payment guarantee, holdback guarantees, or tender bonds. Total amount of financial commitments on construction contracts, projects, and other sales contracts, exceeds 500,000. 62% of which were returned to the company. The highest submitted amounts are for performance bonds, 46% of which are for Project 3. This financial commitment has still not been returned to the company, while the performance bond for Project 2 has been fully returned.